The internet has transformed how businesses connect with customers. Online advertising is crucial in this digital age. Google Ads stands out as a powerful tool for reaching your target audience. It helps you get noticed when they search for products or services like yours. Imagine someone searching for best running shoes. With Google Ads, your website can appear at the top of the search results. This prime placement can be a game changer. It can drive traffic to your site and increase sales. Google Ads offers precise targeting options. You can focus on specific demographics, interests, and even locations. This ensures that your ads are seen by the people most likely to become customers. By investing in Google Ads, you invest in your business's growth and visibility in the digital marketplace. Don't underestimate the power of online visibility. In today's competitive landscape, Google Ads is no longer optional. It is an essential tool for businesses of all sizes to thrive in the digital world. Google Ads can seem complex at first glance. Don't worry, understanding its basics is easy. Simply put, Google Ads is a platform where you can advertise your business. You do this by displaying ads on Google's search results pages and other websites. Launched in 2000, Google Ads was initially known as Google AdWords. The platform has evolved significantly over the years. Today it offers a wide range of advertising options. These include text ads, image ads, video ads, and more. The beauty of Google Ads lies in its pay-per-click model. You only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad. This makes it a cost-effective way to reach potential customers who are already interested in what you offer. By bidding on relevant keywords, you can ensure that your ads are shown to the right audience at the right time. When someone searches for a keyword you've bid on, Google Ads enters your ad into an auction. The winner of the auction gets the most prominent ad placement. Ready to dive into the world of Google Ads? It all starts with creating an account. The process is straightforward. Simply follow these steps. First, visit the Google Ads website. Go to and click on the Start Now button. Next, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account for free. Then, enter your business information. This includes your website address, business name, and target audience. After that, set your billing information. Google Ads requires you to enter your payment details up front. Don't worry, you won't be charged until someone clicks on your ads. Finally, choose your campaign settings. You'll need to select your target location, language, and daily budget. We'll delve deeper into these settings in later sections. That's it. Once you've completed these steps, your Google Ads account will be up and running. You're now one step closer to launching your first campaign. Understanding the structure of Google Ads is key to using it effectively. Think of it like a pyramid. At the top, you have your Google Ads account. This is where you manage everything. Below that, you have campaigns. Each campaign focuses on a specific marketing goal. This could be driving traffic to your website, increasing online sales, or promoting a new product. Within each campaign, you have ad groups. These group together ads that target similar keywords or audiences. For example, if you're selling shoes, you might have one ad group for running shoes and another for dress shoes. This hierarchical structure allows for organization and control. You can adjust your bids, targeting, and ad copy at each level. This ensures that your campaigns are laser-focused and deliver the best possible results. Section 5. Choosing your campaign type, starting with search ads. Google Ads offers various campaign types, each catering to different marketing objectives. For beginners, it's best to start with search campaigns. Search campaigns are the most common and straightforward. These are the text ads that appear at the top and bottom of Google's search results pages. They are highly effective for reaching people actively looking for products or services like yours. When someone searches for a keyword you're targeting, your ad can appear in the search results. This direct connection between a user's search query and your ad makes search campaigns incredibly powerful. Other campaign types include display, video, shopping, and app campaigns. While these can be valuable, they are more complex to set up and manage. Focus on mastering search campaigns first. Once you're comfortable, you can explore other campaign types to diversify your advertising strategy. Section 6. Budgeting and bidding. Managing your Google Ads. Spending. One of the best aspects of Google Ads is that you control your budget. You decide how much you want to spend each day. Google Ads gives you flexibility. You can set a daily budget or a shared budget for multiple campaigns. Next, you'll need to choose a bidding strategy. Bidding refers to how much you're willing to pay each time someone clicks on your ad. Google Ads offers several bidding strategies, including cost per click or CPC, where you pay each time someone clicks on your ad. Then there's cost per thousand impressions, or CPM, where you pay for every 1,000 times your ad is shown. Enhanced CPC or eCPC is another option where Google automatically adjusts your bids to increase conversions. For beginners, it's recommended to start with manual CPC bidding. This gives you more control over your spending. As you gain experience, you can experiment with automated bidding strategies like eCPC. This can help maximize your return on investment. Section 7. Keywords, the foundation of successful Google Ads. Keywords are the heart and soul of Google Ads. They are the words or phrases that people type into Google when searching for information, products, or services. Choosing the right keywords is crucial for the success of your campaigns. You need to select keywords relevant to your business and those your target audience is likely to use. Google offers a free tool called Keyword Planner to help you find the right keywords. This tool provides valuable data on keyword search volume, competition, and suggested bids. When choosing keywords, aim for a mix of broad keywords, which are general terms related to your business, like shoes. Then there are phrase match keywords, which are phrases enclosed in quotation marks like running shoes to target specific searches. Finally, exact match keywords are keywords enclosed in brackets like best running shoes to target very specific searches. Section 8. Crafting compelling ad copy, capturing attention and driving clicks. Your ad copy is what entices people to click on your ad. It needs to be clear, concise, and compelling. When writing your ad copy, keep the following tips in mind. Highlight your unique selling proposition, USP. What makes your business stand out from the competition? Use strong calls to action, CTAs. Tell people what you want them to do, whether it's shop now, learn more, or get a quote. Include relevant keywords. This helps Google understand what your ad is about and improves its relevance score. Match your ad copy to your landing page. Ensure a seamless user experience by aligning your ad's message with the content on your landing page. Remember, you have limited space to convey your message. Make every word count. Experiment with different ad copy variations to see what resonates best with your target audience. Section 9. Measuring success with conversion tracking. Conversion tracking is essential for understanding the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaigns. It tells you how many people who click on your ads are actually completing desired actions on your website. These actions are known as conversions. Conversions can be anything from making a purchase to filling out a contact form or subscribing to your newsletter. By setting up conversion tracking, you can measure your return on investment, ROI, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. Setting up conversion tracking involves adding a snippet of code to your website. Google Ads provides step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Once conversion tracking is set up, you can track conversions for each campaign, ad group, and even individual keywords. This granular data provides valuable insights into which aspects of your campaigns are performing well and which need improvement. Section 10. Launching and monitoring your Google Ads campaigns. With your account set up, campaigns created, and conversion tracking in place, you're ready to launch your Google Ads campaigns. It's time to put your hard work into action. Once your campaigns are running, it's crucial to monitor their performance regularly. Google Ads provides a wealth of data and metrics within your account dashboard. These give you insights into your campaign's performance. Key metrics to track include clicks, the number of times people clicked on your ads; impressions, the number of times your ads were shown; click-through rate, CTR, the percentage of impressions that resulted in clicks; conversion rate, the percentage of clicks that resulted in conversions; cost per conversion, the average cost of acquiring a conversion. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your campaigns for better results. Keep in mind that Google Ads is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Ongoing monitoring and optimization are crucial for maximizing your ROI. Section 11. Mastering Google Ads. Advanced strategies and common pitfalls. As you gain experience with Google Ads, you can explore advanced features like remarketing, which targets users who have previously visited your website. Audience targeting allows you to reach specific demographics and interest groups. Dynamic search ads automatically create ads based on your website's content. While Google Ads offers incredible potential, there are common mistakes to avoid. Poor keyword research. Choose relevant keywords to avoid wasting your budget. Ignoring negative keywords. Exclude irrelevant terms to prevent your ads from showing to the wrong audience. Neglecting landing page optimization. Ensure your landing page aligns with your ad copy for a seamless user experience. Mastering Google Ads takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to learn and improve. Embrace the journey, and you'll unlock the full potential of this powerful advertising platform.